Right now we love the shits and we no show no remorse. But we not give a fuck about the pussy them boss. Say them a killer but me no know what them done. First time me touch a mill, me see the whole of them run. Say a BBQ Badness, guns we lift up.
Yeah. Go on mute ya, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, mute ya star. Only pop pressure in my corner. One time it hard for carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, but the journey so far.
Wagwan Success family, hope you all doing alright. If you're new to the channel, welcome and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to get all our latest videos. Prince Swanny's latest song is stirring up the Trinidad dancehall scene right now. His latest track, Preview BBQ Badness, a direct diss aimed at Prezzi, the leader of the 7, Plumpy boss and the entire 7 crew. A bold move once again because he did this Prezzi before. It comes at a time when gang violence in Haiti, spearheaded by infamous BBQ and his faction, has captured international attention, and the relentless gang wars among the 6, 7, 9 and Z-Tech gang in Trinidad still going at it. By singling out 7 members like Pumpy Boss, Meds Boss and Prezzi, Prince Swanny is boldly stating his readiness to face any challenge head on, showing them no retreat, no back down from the war. Check out the preview.
Man down. Run it again, baby.
When all they carry, no scared, right? I'm sit down and discuss me. I don't go like because they don't know.
No, them have warnings. Tell them say a BBQ Badness, guns we lift up. Swing pan them men's match out so militant, killing no innocent when we target the one. Shoot up them head what jigally about. Make the party fist up.
So this preview of BBQ Badness is suggesting that Prince Swanny is not just participating in musical feud, but elevating his badness to a whole new level, a whole new heights, showing them he's untouchable and powerful. So Prince Swanny is making sure all of them know that his level of badness now mirrors that of Haiti gang leader BBQ. Prince Swanny is basically saying Prezzi Badness is small compared to Z-Tech. That's the new heights him reach. This is similar to Dudu's Coke era in Jamaica, where his influence extended far beyond the streets of Tivoli Garden, and Dudu's was able to bring VybzKartel and Movado together as 2 musical giants in the music industry, as the one done in the country bigger than clans and one other gang, because Dudu's Coke Badness reached to political levels and heights and businesses until his eventual extradition to the United States. So right now I am eager to hear the full song and watch the music video, and let me know in the comment section what impact will Prince Swanny BBQ Badness have on the Trinidad dancehall scene. As we know, Plumpy Boss will never back down from Prince Swanny. Will any members of the 7 faction respond to Prince Swanny BBQ Badness? With a bold claim like this, I think they will, because Prince Swanny is giving them an update of his power and influence, and I am eagerly preparing to do a review video on it when it comes out, as I said. So make sure to turn those post notifications on to catch my review and join a discussion about the entire thing, because I think this song will have a big impact on the Trinidad dancehall scene, or I can say Trinidad dancehall scene, because Prince Swanny BBQ Badness might just be a new chapter in the war against the 7s, and you don't want to miss me reacting to that video and giving my in-depth review. BBQ Badness. Respect for subscribe, thanks for the likes, thanks for the comments, thanks for the shares.